This app on my phone, AI built it in 5 minutes. I didn't write a single line of code. I need to show you exactly what I did because I literally just described my idea and it built the whole thing. And let's just get into it. So, in order to use Codex, the AI agent, you have to be on the plus plan. So, you can see the free plan is over here, and then the plus, it says write code and build apps with Codex. So let me go get this plus plan and I'll be right back. So I just re-got Visual Studio Code. So I was going through the welcome. So what we can do is actually, let's just like close out the welcome like that. So what we're gonna go is we can go to our extensions. Oh, the last extension I had was VS Code Pets. VS Code Pets is so cute. I remember that one. But okay, we're not gonna do that one. Let's do Codex. And then there's a lot of different ones. Okay, this is OpenAI, so that's like the official one. So what we can do, auto update is fine. Let's install. Nice. The git command requires the command line developer tools. Would you like to install the tools now? Why not? Y'all, my computer been acting up. Okay, hold on. Okay, y'all, so we just got Codex. We're able to install Git. Now what we're gonna do is we can click this over here and it has Codex. We like the visual effects of this. Okay, so let's sign in with ChatGPT. Let's see what we're working with. Let's see what we're working with. Nice. So I just signed in. So Codex in your IDE. Codex, why am I having so much fun? Codex navigates, edits, runs commands, and executes tests directly in your repo, powered by your ChatGPT account. Next, so you can stay focused and move faster. Okay, to do, implement schema. So decide how much autonomy you want to grant. For more details, see the Codex docs. Codex to make mistakes, powered by your ChatGPT account. Uses your plan's rate limits. Sounds good. Okay, so as you can see, we have Codex over here. Okay, so basically the app is called Side Quest Slayer, and it's basically like a progress journal. I feel like every time in my life I've accomplished something big, it's because I started tracking it, and tracking it helped me to see that I was actually making progress, helped me to stay in it, and basically enjoy the journey more. So that's what Meezy and I are building. I'm just going to paste this. Basically, I created this in Gemini, and it's kind of like a high level PRD about what the project is about. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Maya, and this is a series where my friend Meezy and I vibe code an app. So what that means is we're going to create an app, and there's certain rules that we have. The first rule is that we can't write any lines of code. We're basically going to test how real vibe coding is. Second is we're doing everything live, so like, creating videos and all that stuff. We're also live on TikTok every week. And then the third thing is we're actually going to put our app in the App Store and actually try to get real people to use it. So if you're interested, definitely subscribe to follow the journey. Let's just give this to Codex and see what happens. Okay, add a project to use Codex. That makes sense. And then choose the model. So let's open a folder. Okay, and let's do it. Woo! Y'all, I feel like it took a minute to get here, but we got here. Yay! Basically, it's 2 o'clock, so let's see how long this takes. Okay, so Codex has just asked us a question. Do you want to allow installing the Expo dependencies so I can verify the app builds and type checks locally? They have some options. Let's say yes and don't ask again. Okay, so it completed. It took 5 minutes, so that was actually super quick. So what we're gonna do is let's just follow exactly the instructions it says. So it says, so the remaining step is to run npm start and open it in the Expo Go or a simulator to test camera notification permissions end to end. So let's go up here. Let's do new terminal. Let's make Codex smaller. We don't really need to see the file structure right now. And let's say, I believe npm start. Okay. Wow. Y'all, I'm actually so surprised it did this. So I have Expo Go. So let's change that. Let me scan the QR code. Okay. Yeah, so it says project is incompatible with this version of Expo Go. The project you requested requires a newer version of Expo Go. Download the latest version of Expo Go. Okay, let's go to the App Store. Okay, I'm gonna do that and come back. So I have the latest version of Expo Go. So let's see if Codex can do this. So literally, y'all, I'm just gonna be like, do this. I don't know if it could actually do this. Oh, cool. I'm updating the React and React Native versions. Okay, y'all, we vibe coding, have not written a single line of code. So, literally, and even in situations where I think I can solve it, part of the experiment is seeing can everyone vibe code, or is it really just something for people who already know how to code? So far, I believe anyone can do this so far. So, we'll see. I want to see what it looks like. That's my real question. What do I do now to see the app in Expo Go? I'm thinking what I need to do is like close out terminal and then what is it says from the project folder run npm start. Okay, yeah. Let's close this out and now let's npm start. Okay. Yay. Let's see if this works. So let's close out Expo Go. Everything is closed. Go back to the app on my phone. Okay, let's look at this QR code. It's the same error. Let's copy. Let's stop this. Okay, we're just using the instructions it gave us. Sure. Like, am I going to say no? Fail to install. Okay. Let's just take this. Let's put it here. Let's see what Codex says. I don't know how many credits I'm using. I might be playing myself. I don't know where this S that they expect me to press. Okay, so the supported SDK is 54. That's good to know. I feel like we'll try again. Honestly, I'm not like, yeah. Expo Go is not working. Is not working. I keep getting this error message. So we can show the error message and then we can be like, I'm using SDK 54. Yeah, let's just go there. I don't know, Codex. Yeah, in the App Store, there's no way to update the app. So let's stay on SDK 54. Okay, hopefully you understood what I meant. Alrighty. Let's copy, paste, NPX Expo starts clear. Okay, let's see. And scan the new QR code. Let's see. No, we still getting an error, baby. Cannot find module Babel preset Expo. Okay. Help. Okay. Now restart Expo completely. Let's see. Boom. Let's clear it. Let's try again. Make sure it's fully stopped. Let's trash it. We're making sure, okay? Come on, baby. 87 problems. Oh, okay. Let's go back. Let's scan. Literally all, it was like so red when I tried looking at it. But okay. We're trying again. Let's see. We'll see it together. So far, I feel like it's okay. It's at 98%. Ah, is it working? Oh, would like send you notifications. Okay, for now. Yay! Oh my gosh. Okay. If you're enjoying this video, definitely subscribe so you can follow the journey of creating an app. We're now in this AI world, and it's going to be such an interesting experiment to see if we can actually do this. So subscribe to follow the journey. And also like the video. Don't be stingy, like it. Okay, so it says side quest slayer, no active quests. Document the unpolished works, build proof, not performance. So trophy room, yeah, there's no trophies. And then we have journal. Choose one high stakes identity to chase. Side quest slayer only allows one active quest at a time. Let's say I want to be I don't know. Let's do painter. Commit to this quest. Capture one honest frame of the work. No polish, no filters, just evidence. Scrapbook grid, your proof wall, newest first, no proof yet. See journey. Okay, yeah, that doesn't work yet. When the journey is complete, archive the quest and start fresh. Okay, open raw camera. Allow. Yes! Ah! Wait, I love this. Okay, wait, let me stop. Okay, now something I want to do is see how well it handles changes. So what we're going to do is say to right now the app, like it's a lot of the buttons and stuff are orange. Let's say to change the color of the app to purple. That's Meezy's favorite color, so let's do that. A lot of the buttons are orange. Can we change those to purple? Y'all, this is nice. I'm so excited to use this. Restart the app or let Metro hot re Ah! Oh, you heard that crack, y'all? It's now, is that? Yeah, that's purple. Yay! Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, y'all, so I think we're gonna use Codex to build our app. Like, Meezy has already been playing around with it and she loves it. And this just looks great. Like, out of all the different ones that we've tried, this was the most that was like in my head. I also think that it being an extension to Visual Studio Code is game changing. We haven't even like dove into this yet, but I was watching a video by OpenAI and they were saying like you can create different files, like an architecture file, a plan file, like different things that the AI can refer to. And I just think when we want to build more features on top of this, that's going to keep everything super organized. And the other platforms didn't have that. I feel like for scalability, Codex is going to work the best. So I'm excited. Like, this is really making me happy. Codex. This is not even sponsored. Codex. What if we wanted a way to delete photos? But part of me also doesn't want to do too much. I think this is a good place to end it.